funded and focused feature where we look at the different ways you can bring cash into your life. When there's been a horrible, terrible disaster, first thing to know, you're not alone. Second, there are immediate concrete steps you can take to stop the slide and start rebuilding using what you already have. So let's consider short, practical survival and a restart plan you can use right now in the immediate 24 to 72 hours. So first, practice deep breathing. And then list your essentials: food, shelter, medication, utilities, childcare. Then make a quick money list. What's due this week? Next week, what's overdue? And if you have access to your online banking, or you're going to go physically into the bank, freeze, stop any non-essential spending on your credit card, like subscriptions, any streaming. Stop takeout. And contact anyone you owe money to. Don't wait. People are more likely to negotiate if you call early. And then find one fast income move you can do this week. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.